French car major Citroen, or as the French pronounce it, Citroen, will be unveiling a new C3, a hatchback with SUV styling codes measuring less than 4 meters in length. Citroen India is already selling the C5 Aircross SUV in the country. The new C3 is the first model in a family of 3 vehicles aimed at the international market, developed and produced in India and South America, and which will be launched in those 2 regions over the next 3 years. The Citroen C3 hatchback will be launched in the first half of 2022. Citroen India will be leveraging its R&D center in Chennai, vehicle assembly plant at Tiruvallur, and the powertrain plant at Hosur in the state of Tamil Nadu in India to further boost localization efforts. The new C3 will be a modern hatchback designed to meet the needs and road conditions of the 2 regions, offering comfort and connectivity. The new C3 adapts to the terrain by drawing inspiration from SUVs for its ground clearance, high bonnet, and elevated driver position. The interiors have also been carefully designed in terms of comfort. In addition to the Citroen's trademark comfort and spaciousness, its clever design makes everyday life easier, particularly with the integration of smartphones connected to a 10-inch touchscreen. The new C3 is the first model from the C3 program launched in 2019, a family that plans to launch 3 vehicles with an international focus by 2024. The C3 is a very crucial part of our India growth journey and will be the backbone of our local development strategy. This car fits right into the heart of the Indian market, where 70% of the demand for sub-4 meter cars and 50% of customers are first-time buyers. Our teams in India and Paris have collaborated and developed this car with over 90% localization, said Roland Bouchara, CEO and MD for Stellantis in India. The C3 is being introduced in a B segment, which is highly competitive in India but has the potential to expand and grow further. It was important for us to stand out in this segment and create a differentiated and an aspirational car. This segment is seeing a lot of young buyers who want a sub-4 meter car, which is an extension of their personality, pointed out Saurav Vatsa, Citroen brand head India. Now Indian car buyers can look forward to this good-looking C3 in the year ahead.